Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some resources that I pulled for 9/11. If you decide to give your learners some time to look at some things on their iPads, I have pulled a few resources into our Mac and VIA group for you guys if you want to use them. So if your kids could click on ClassLink and log in with their iStation username and password, it would log them in. And then go to the folder that says Digital Library Resources to access Mac and VIA, this one with the rainbow wheel right here. And once they open up Mac and VIA, they would click on Groups, the red bar over here to the side. This is going to open up the groups that I've created so far, and 9/11 is the first one. There's 4 different resources I've put in here. Some of them are a little bit harder for the younger kiddos, but you can just see, like this one is about the 9/11 museum. They can click on the little speaker if it's easier for them to read it out loud. Going back, this one is the one with a little bit harder vocabulary from World Book. It's about the terrorist attack. That's the second one. And then this one, I believe, is the Brain Pop video, a short little 5-minute video over 9/11. And then this one is the link to our Bookflix account, and it is the story, the fiction story, The Man Who Walked Between the Towers, and a nonfiction book that's a little bit easier for our younger kiddos about New York City. So I hope this helps you, just to give you something to access and use for 9/11. Have a good day.